Hello students, Ruchi Miss is here. Students, as you know, I'm your maths teacher, so I'll talk about only maths. बच्चों, maths needs practice on the daily basis. So practice each and every question at least twice. And as you are having lockdown days, you can turn it down as a golden time by overcoming your weaknesses. Students, practice more and more as you can. Thank you. Hello students, today we are going to start our second chapter, that is Roman numeral. So first of all, the most important thing is that we are having 7 Roman symbols. Only 7 Roman symbols are there. So by using these Roman symbols, we can write all the numbers. So first of all, you have to learn these 7 Roman symbols. Like I stands for 1, V, capital. We will write the Roman symbols always in the capital forms. So now V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C for 100, D for 500 and M for 1000. Now students, there are some rules to write Roman numerals. The first rule is multiplication rule. If a symbol is repeated in succession, the value of the numeral is obtained by multiplying the value of the symbol by the number of times it is repeated. This rule can be understood by the example. Like, see the example on the screen. XX. Here X is repeated 2 times and you know that X stands for 10 and 10 is repeated 2 times. So if we want to find out the value of this number, so see, X stands for 10, so 10. How many times X is there? 2 times. So we will multiply it by 2 times. That means XX stands for 20. Now see the other example, CCC. We know that C stands for 100. So we will write 100. And how many times C is there? 3 times. So we will multiply it by 3. So that is 300. Now see the other example, XXX. X stands for 10 and how many times X is there? 3 times. So 10 into 3 is equals to 30. Now the second rule, addition rule. This rule can also be understood by the example. See the example, XI. You know that X stands for 10 and I stands for 1. So here you can see that the smaller number is written on the right side of a greater number. So in that condition, both the numbers are going to add it up. So 10 plus 1, here 11. So XI stands for 11. Now see the other example, DIV. IB, we know that it is 4. And D stands for 500. So 500 plus 4, 504. Now see the other example, DCCCLX. So all the smaller numbers are standing at the left side. At the right side. Now D stands for 500 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 50 plus 10. So it has become 860. Now comes to the subtraction rule. When a smaller number is written on the left side of a greater number, that means there is a subtraction. Like I is smaller than V and it is written on the left side of this number. So that means 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. So IV stands for 4. Now come to the next, XC. X stands for 10 and C stands for 100. But 10 is written on the left side of 100. So we are going to subtract 10 from 100. So XC stands for 90. Now there are some points to be remembered. See. No symbol is repeated more than 3 times. No symbol can be repeated more than 3 times. Okay. Now symbols I, X, C, M are repeated, whereas V, L and D are never repeated. Means I, X, C, M can be repeated, but V, means 5, L means 50, and D means 500 cannot be repeated. Got it? And next, the symbol I can be subtracted from V and X once only. The symbol X can be subtracted from L and C once only. The symbol C can be subtracted from D and M once only. Got it? Now student, come to the exercise. First question, write the following numbers in Roman numerals. Here first is 9. So we have to write 9 as 10 minus 1. 10 stands for X, and we are subtracting here, so we will write 1 on the left side of 10. So Ix will be stands for 9. Now 90. So for that, how we will write? We are having symbol for 10 only. So 10 plus 9. 10 means X plus, that means we will write it on the right side. 9. For 9 we write Ix. So XIX stands for 19. Now 35. 35 matlab 5. So we can write it 30 plus 5. We can write 30 as 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 means XXX, 5 means V. So XXXV. Now 39. So 30 plus 9, 30 means 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 9. So XXXIX, 40. So now 40. We have to write it as 50 minus 10. 50 stands for L and 10 stands for X. Here we are subtracting 10 from 50, so we will write 10 on the left side of 50. So it will become XL. Now 59. So we will write it as 50 plus 9. 50 means L and 9 IX. Now 84. We can write 84 as 50 plus 30 plus 4 means LXXIV. Now student, here's the homework for you.